Oh, we got a dud. 1650 lumens, 26 watt. General Electric branded. So yeah, let's break it. How are we gonna do this? Let's just do it in a plastic bag. 3, 2, 1. Cool, we get to find a date code on here. 105C, okay. Didn't expect that, but they gotta be. So 22 microfarad at 200 volts. It's like, oh, they're so cheap there's no date code. 2012. Just so happens to say 1234. Pretty sure that's the date code. So yeah, here's what the inside of this thing looks like. A little bit of copper. There's some transistors in here too, I think. Isn't this fun? Not really, but yeah, there's what the board looks like. I think that's an MOV right there, right? I don't need these, but maybe if I'm bored, I'll desolder them and put them in my bag of random diodes, resistors, transistors, capacitors. So yeah, this is going in the trash.